Welcome back. Let's talk about Navin Fluorine. That stock has taken a big hit. Sonal, we've often seen management resignations, right? MD stepping out. But this kind of a reaction, the stock at a fresh 52-week high, such a big fall?
Oh, yes, because he was the one who steered growth for the company since the time he's joined. He initiated various CapEx programs, and the company's seen a lot of growth since the time he's joined.
And he joined when?
He joined in October 2018, and since then, I will just put the numbers in perspective as well. First, the news, of course, Mr. Radhesh, he has resigned as the MD of the company. This is with effect from 15th December, and Vishad Mafatlal will steer the operations of the company in the interim. As I said earlier, Mr. Welling joined the company in 2018, and if you look at the revenues in that period, from around 900 crores in FY18, the revenues have increased to more than 2,000 crore rupees in FY23. Profits have increased to 375 crore rupees versus around 180 crores in FY18. The company took a big pause for CapEx, and it was only after Mr. Welling joined that he announced a lot of CapEx programs, around 1,700 to 1,800 crore rupees over the next 2 calendar years, and he has a lot of new energy areas or new chemicals where he was looking at foraying as well, and that's what the street was betting on, the new MD who came and changed the face of the company as well. Now, it was the only company or one of the 2 companies that did well in Q1, and at a time when global chemical stocks are not doing so well, they said they're not seeing any impact of inventory destocking on the business. They identified several late-stage opportunities in CDMO, which is an important business as well, and FY25 growth targets were on track as well. The other thing that's ailing the stock is that there have been recent top management exits in the company as well. In August itself, the CEO of the CDMO business resigned, and the President of the operations of CDMO business was promoted as the CEO designate of the CDMO business, which is Mr. Rajendra Sahu. In July 2022, the CFO of the company had resigned, and the position was reinstated in Feb 2023 itself. So that came after some amount of pause. And now brokerages have written on the stock. Morgan Stanley says that while they have an overweight rating, they need to hear more from company on how it plans to tackle the top management attrition that the company has been seeing. Citi says that management change will create some uncertainty in the near term. They await clarity on the changes, if any, and if there is any change in strategic priorities now and tactical approach. Long-term tailwinds, however, they exist because of the nature of the industry that the company is in, and they are seeing fluorine chemistry applications across the board. Now, quickly taking a look at who holds the stock. The promoters just have 28% stake in the company. Mutual funds hold close to 20.5%. There are AIFs at 1.65%, domestic institutions at around 4%, and FPIs hold 18%. So it's heavily owned stock and well tracked as well. In terms of valuations, if I quickly look at that, it is on the higher side in the fluorination space, looking at Navin at 35 times versus SRF at 24 times and Gujarat Fluoro at 25.8 times. So yes, this has come as a setback, and the valuation's also on the higher side. So that's something which is ailing. Of course, clarity in the conference call on the 4th of October is something we'll be tracking closely.
So Monday is
That's actually
Tuesday.
On Wednesday.
Oh, okay. So we have Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be another day of uncertainty.
Yeah.